Welcome. In front of me is a ARLO Pro 5, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the camera itself. So, let's see what we got in here. As information, we have wide angle 160 degree, enhanced body performance, and color night vision with 2K HDR video. Wires-free spotlight and secure camera, cool. So yeah, that's about everything that we need. So yeah, let's just pop open. There we go. And it's right here staring right at us. Okay, it has a little bit of weight to it, cool. Have our mounting. Battery. I'm not sure if there's anything else in here. Nope, that's about it. So just a bit of boxes. Anyway, we have also screws with, what is this, studs, I think that's how we call them. And battery for some reason is in a sealed bag. Our cable for power is type A to a weird magnetic proprietary cable. And our manual. So the proprietary cable attaches right here at the bottom. The button right here. I'll just peel all of that crap off. And that's one. Trying to figure out where I'm supposed to start peeling it up from. Oh, there we go. Actually, let me adjust the camera so we can actually see this a little bit better. So there we go. Actually, I don't need to rip it. Okay. Get out. So let's see if it gives us any kind of like light indication or anything like that when it's plugged in. Like so. Oh, there we go. We have some blinking light. Anything? Okay, so it looks like that's about it. Now to pop in the battery, well, that is a weird design. You just press this button. You can see that the entire thing pops out. Come on. Okay, and went a little bit out, a little bit more force. And here is our space for our battery. I believe this is a reset. So if you have like a pin, you can put it in there to reset it. And that's about it. Obviously, application for setup and all that crap. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.